Come in. Oh, Joel, I'm
Isn't
so
that
glad to
amazing?
see you.
Hi, Grandma.
I read something.
Oh, Grandma, that's too loud. I think they can hear that in
And
St. Louis. Let's turn that down.
Don't be silly. Where's Cooper?
He's at camp today, Grandma.
What are you doing?
I have something to show you, Grandma.
Can't wait till commercial.
Yeah, we can wait till a commercial.
Where's Cooper?
He's at camp today, Grandma.
That's you.
That's what I want to show you, Grandma. It's me on TV. Want to watch it?
Can't wait till commercial. Where's Cooper?
He's still in camp. Would you like to see me on TV now?
Maybe later. Why were you on TV?
I made this iPhone app. It's called Unwind Your Mind. Would you like to see it?
Were you really on TV?
Uh-huh. Want to see?
Maybe some other time. Were you on the Ellen Show?
I wish. Would you watch me then?
Absolutely. Where's Cooper?